another NBA Live mobile video today. You can see how much my team has upgraded. These times only over about mine because the best. I do not really understand how much I-89 he gives 1-1 to Draymond and so much at that 85. Where does the 2 rest from him go? But still, that's how it goes. And today, let's open up these bags and see my shop right now. Oh, this is time. See? To open some of the packs like the Thompson trophies, which is 9 bronze players given. I'm only here today to tell you guys that these packs are trash. I do it this drill every time I give like the pack opening a chance to get money from drill packs or like from its own thing like for this one it's the trophy blood. So today I know something problem happened. I was about to post a times 6 video. I was doing 6 trophy packs. I did put the elite trophy in there, so I think those ones are the best. The 7 bronze trade-ins, these 7 silver trade-ins, these 9 bronze trade-ins are trash. I think they're not good. That's why if you're doing this, it's just like giving you to it's just like that. So let's continue and start opening up these bags. Let's start with the drill reward, and we're gonna count how much money we get. So, why is this waiting? Oh my god. Okay, so it's taking too long right now. I don't know why. I don't know why it's taking too long. Okay, let's just start again. I'm like gonna cut this slide. Okay. We just started again. Network party must be connected to the internet. Okay, so it looks like something happened. I'll be coming back. So yeah, I'm back right here in this place right now. But for the delay, you guys should get something. So I think I can give you gameplay with a little gameplay with Carmelo win in the 92. So just look, I'm gonna shoot bad shots and he's gonna get it. And just look at this one. Bang. You see how bad of a shot was that? Bang. It's like 90% guaranteed to shoot these shots and bang. So yeah, a little gameplay with him. We're gonna open up this page. I'm gonna just see it. So I gotta help it on something right now. This my league. Please join. I have 5 members right now. This guy, Ross. He came into my league like 2 days ago. He's awesome. Yeah, really. 2, okay. And now we're just gonna go real fast in all those banks. And just for a little delay, I give you, these are some pro packs. 9 pro packs added. We're gonna open these packs. Okay, finals collectible, that's fine. Because final collectible can go into those sets. Winning bid. That's awesome. I'm winning those bids. Okay, bronze player. A trophy reward. That's awesome. I get a silver trophy. So yeah, at the end of this video, I'm gonna tell you how to get Shaq for free. Really easy. So let me just tell you right now, if you love to do these trophy blades and do all these trophy sets, I think you're the right person. What you just gotta do is you gotta play all the trophy blades live events. If you play them, you're automatically gonna get those them into the sets, except for, okay, and you can go platinum and all silvers. So except for the bronze, the silver trophy, you can do everything else. GG Brewery, I'm really looking for an elite. Okay, 9 pro picks right now, 9. If I don't go in the elite in 9, I'm gonna die. And his concert, come on. Victor Oladipo. Tristan Thompson, 2 more. Come on, give me an elite, whatever. I'm really done for those elites because I've been like off track the whole time. Duncan, a trash player. The people, okay, way to go, boy. John Wall. So elite, first elite, let's go for that trophy bag. I know these are trash, you cannot get a gold, like the gold is really rare. Okay, these are good packs right now. 1 silver, otherwise you get bronze like this. Okay. Keep on going, keep on going. Okay, another silver. Okay, let me count out. So 3 packs with silvers. We're only gonna count the silvers till 3K. Okay, way to go. 7K right now. 7K. Whoa, bro. These bags are fire right now. 12K. I don't know what to say. I was even doing this video for how bad these bags are right now. Like, oh, 12K. Whoa. 14K. 16K. What are these bags doing? 16K still. 17K. 18K. My goodness. 22K. 22K at this moment. 23K. 23K right now. 23, we're stuck on it. 24K. 24K at this moment. Oh my goodness. 29K. Yo, bro. This is BK. So like 30K right now. I'm bewildered. 31K. 32K. So now whatever I get is all profit. Okay, 33K. 33K right this moment. Gone.